Hey folks, it's Photo Guy with the Truck Showcase for you, coming to you from JW Truck Sales, largest commercial truck retailer in the Southeast with over 350 vehicles in stock. Today on Truck Showcase I have a 2011 Chevy Express G3500. This is a great work van. It's clean in and out. AM, FM, power windows and door locks. This van has a 6.0 Vortec V8, puts out 360 horsepower. Remember folks, we always have great financing options here at JW Truck Sales. Interest rates start as low as 3.75%, zero money down, 100% financing. We have options, no payments for 6 months. This van also has pre-installed storage in the back. Remember, if you're interested in this great G3500, come on down to 5000 Nelson Brogdon Boulevard in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Check it out in person. You can always go to the website, jwtrucks.com, and see the full inventory there. And remember, make sure you tell them Photo Guy sent you and get your best price guaranteed.